Hi, I'm Kyle. I'm the owner of Master Mechanic in Whitby. Having a complimentary vehicle inspection, I think, is essential. Licensed mechanic can diagnose any issue that you may have and also recommend services to prevent future costly repairs. So you go in for a quick lube or a quick oil change, you don't get peace of mind that suspension components are checked properly to make sure that your vehicle's safe for you and reliable for you to take your road trip or to just drive it daily to get to and from work. The process to becoming a licensed mechanic is registering as an apprentice, going to school for 3 years of training, and then writing your final exam. I'm a very big believer in the brand. I've met a lot of people who have moved from one location to another, and they come because they've had great service at another Master Mechanic location. To think that you could all help each other if there's ever an issue, if somebody's stuck in another city, to say, hey, I can call a shop that I know I can trust, is very important. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.